Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome today in the daily newspaper of Friday, the first Friday of the month. Yes, Friday, October the 4th, 2024. We have here 3 regular puzzles: 3 Star Sudoku, 4 Star Sudoku, and the Killer Sudoku. In this newspaper, we have also an additional with extra puzzles, 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve not now, but in the evening. We have here the letter Sudoku, 2 stars, 3 stars, and a 4 stars Sudoku. We have 2 jigsaw Sudokus, 1 with 4 stars, 1 with 1 star, and the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. And these puzzles I'm not interested. 7 extra puzzles, 4 of them I will solve in the evening. Now we will solve these 3 regular puzzles. And it's today the first Friday of the month, so it will be a speed test with these 3 puzzles. The first one is 9377. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 26 printed digits. Usually the 3 stars puzzle has 25, so 1 digit less. Should be a 2 stars puzzle. 2 stars puzzle I need 15 to 20 minutes. Well, it's indicated with 3 stars for a 3 stars puzzle, 20 to 30 minutes. Well, it's a speed test, so without comments, without instructions. So it's now almost 2 minutes past, so let's get started. Alright, need a 2 here, need a 8, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 4, 3, 7, 9, need a 7 here, I need a 6 there, need a 7, need a 5 here, come on, need a 3 here, 8, should be there, come on, need a 9 here, 3, 7, 5, okay, 6, 6, 4, need a 3 here, come on, need a 9 here, 9, delete, eliminated the 7, 7 should be here, eliminated the 4, 4 should be here, need a 3, oh, 3, 3, this is not correct, could be there, here or there, okay, 4, 4, 7, this should be the 7, 2, need a 2 here, need a 2 there, 9, 7, 3, 5, 5, 5, 5, 1, 2, need a 3, 3, 3, 6, need a 6, need an 8, no 8, 8 should be here, 3 should be there, 6 goes there, 3 goes there, 2, need a 1, and I need a 6 here, need a 6 there, 2, need an 8, should be together with 2, 1 and 3, this should be the 4, I believe. 1, 2, 8, 1, 2, 8, okay. 3, 3, need a 3 there. 3, 3, we have all the 3s, I believe. Need a 6 there. 9, 4. Come on, come on. 4, 1, 6. 1, 6. Need a 6 here. 1. 5 and 9. How about here? The 2 and the 7. Need a 7 here. Deleted the 6. 1 and an 8, I believe. 1, 2, 3, 4 and the 5. Here 1 should be the 2, 9 and the 1, 2, 3, 4 and the 8. Oh, 8, 1, 6, 8, 9, 1, 6, 1, 2, 2, 2, need 8. But here 9, 5 and 8, 9, 5, 9, 5 and 8, 9, 5. Okay, 8. Need an 8 here together with the 9. So this should be the 4. 1, 2, 2, 2. Need a 2 there. Need a 4 here. 9 and a 5. This should be the 5. This should be the 9. 5, 9, 9, 8, 8, 1, 2. 7 minutes. Minus 2 minutes. 10 minutes. Oh, 2 and 8. This should be the 8. This should be the 2. Okay. Well, 5 minutes. We solve it again. We solve again. Oh, 1 and 6. We have a 1 here. This should be the 1. This should be the 6. Still 7 minutes. Alright. Overlooked. But we solve it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles. Also with the speed test, the 4 stars, and the killer Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.